Hello, buddy. My name is Eric, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at a research report by McaFee that has uncovered possibly the stealthiest stealer I have ever seen. If you've seen my video about one that hid in System 32, this one is much cleverer, because what they have done is first of all, they're using a very obfuscated payload that appears to be, well, I shouldn't say appears to be, it is a text file, but then it ships a modified Lua interpreter. But perhaps the most interesting thing is how it replicates itself. And of course the problem with Windows is a really old operating system with a lot of obscure tricks that you can learn. And what these guys did is they found I'll just scroll down to that, obscure piece of Windows facts, which is that you do not need to do anything other than call a legitimate Windows file in Task Scheduler to rerun the malware. So how do you do it? Well, interesting piece of Windows trivia. If OOBE has an error and you create a setup script called errorhandler.cmd, you can now have a completely stealthy approach. If you call OOBE with no flags, that will instantly trigger this. So I'll try to demonstrate this. And within this, you create, under the setup, you create a folder called scripts. You can't see that because of UAC. And then we can run anything you would want to do in a CMD script. So as an example, and I believe this starts with elevated privileges. Eric is cool. Now, what we have to do is we run OOBE. Right, where's the folder for, okay, there it is, C, Windows, and I'm going to see if we can do this without admin, because that would be a pretty serious setup exe. Okay, let's just deny the elevation, see if that, because that should throw an error message. Let's see, let's go to System 32. Doesn't seem to have done anything. So if we allow the elevation, there we go. That's pretty cool. I think we just, so with this technique, you can run any thing you want. Okay, so it seems like it just runs as my user. So it's unfortunately, well, I guess fortunately, it's not then doing privilege escape to the system. But this is still an incredibly interesting concealment technique that I have never seen discussed anywhere before. The other clever trick that this new incredibly stealthy malware has is it will actually say that to unlock the complete version, you have to share it with a friend. So it doesn't even, like, unlike the kind of wormy YouTube one that steals your channel, this one just tricks you into willingly sharing it. So even if they're like, I don't believe you, call me, you'll pick up and you'll say, no, this is great. This is a cheat program. And that's how it spreads. So I just thought I would raise some awareness. So do not install CheatLab, of course. And this is kind of a clever new approach. So one of the things I always recommend when you're not sure if you're infected is to open up Task Scheduler. So if you see a random call to OOBE, let me show you again. This is the directory, and of course that should be a /. See, Windows System 32 OOBE setup.exe. If that is in your Task Scheduler, you are probably infected, and you should check the errorhandler.cmd. Hope this video was interesting. That's all for now. Bye.